What is good? We are live. All right. I think FTSE is gonna run up. That could have been a good buy over here. I want to buy FTSE. I'm buying the FTSE here. Yeah, that's before the open. Yeah, that's risky, but I do see them going up. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this spread. It's basically like 2 points from my original entry. Yeah, so FTSE is trying something. One more minute until the open. They try to run up. I think they will still be trying to do same stuff. Right. Ooh. Yeah. I will get out. I'll get out of it. Let's wait for the open. Let me have that stop loss. 8560. You know, if they break this low, I'm out. That's the open. Let's see what we're gonna get, right? So let's see. Trying to run up. Let's see if they're gonna make this breakout. I would love to move that stop loss over here. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Decreasing that risk on a FTSE. Stop loss to break even. I'm not gonna add to this position. Did it hit our target? In a way. We have no risk. Yeah, they did hit it. They did hit it. I'm closing it here. A little bit in profit, right? But nothing crazy. I kind of missed it. Should have been out right there. Oh well. Let's see what the DAX is up to. It worked the high too. They did work the high. As you can see, we have pretty weak market, right? What the DAX could move to the upside. Let's see. I do want to buy the DAX here, but okay, I'm buying the DAX here. Let me see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. I mean, yeah, they did get the liquidity above the high, and now they might reverse. And that all makes sense. But well, let me have that stop loss right here. Like 60, right? Yeah, they can easily do that. Maybe buyers will step in around this level, right? Maybe we should have bought it around this level. I mean, I'll move that stop loss right here, decreasing the risk a little bit more. Yeah, they can easily stop me out now. And I'm okay with that if that's not the move after this retrace. Because I would like to see the move right now. And if they're not doing it, why should I stay in it? I mean, yeah, I could give them a little bit more room, but yeah, I'm out. I'm out. That's good that we moved that stop loss. Do I believe DAX is gonna bounce from here? Hmm. I'll have the buy order. Didn't. Well, the FTSE didn't fill us. Maybe I will not take this position now. Closing this FTSE order. I wanted to get in around this level, right? DAX is bouncing. DAX feels like in a trading range, right? Feels like they didn't have to move. Feels like they don't want to have the move just yet. This would see. Might want to move to the upside. At least it looks like it. At least it looks like it wants to. Thinking about DAX scalp short over here. Um, that was a bad fill. That was a really bad fill. Looking to get out. Looking to get out. That was not the best fill. That was not the best fill. Oh shit. Let's see, I'll be quick to get out if they stop moving. Now stop loss to break even. I'll be looking to take profit. That's an aggressive move, right? Taking the profit here. That was a scalp. I'm not here to hold this one, so I still think FTSE's going up. I'm buying the FTSE over here. I just bought the FTSE. They can go revisit these lows, and we don't want that. I really don't want to see that, but if that's the case, let me have that stop loss right there at these lows. So that's good that we closed that DAX. Now it's just a scalp. Mm, DAX longs are tempting. I'm buying the FTSE here because I think they're done with these areas over here and they're ready to move up. But yeah, I wanted to buy around here because this is a really good zone to be a buyer of the FTSE over here at this point. Not here. I thought they were done by now, but I guess they went to the level where I was looking to buy. Didn't wait it out. Because this is a vector, right? DAX looks interesting. Can they make the move? I feel a little bit too late, but we could try to short the DAX again here, but but I think they might be recovering the move which we had here. So interesting zone would be over here. Interesting zone would be over here. And the DAX did whatever I was expecting on the FTSE. And the FTSE's not really doing it. Right. Like I was hoping for the FTSE to make a bounce from this level, but as of right now, we're wrong. FTSE should move right now. It should start moving right now, and it's not. So I'm not sure if I want to have that stop loss because it would just get triggered. I'm thinking about moving that stop loss after this bounce. If they can make it, they need to be bouncing right now. So let me have that stop loss right here. They need to be bouncing right fucking now. Yep, that is something. I'm having that stop loss right below this level. I think that's okay. Yeah, they could reverse, but it still looks okay. They're trying to break out. Let's see if they can manage this breakout on the FTSE. Like I do have to have this stop loss right here. At least right there. Can't move to break even. A little bit too early to take the profit. So we just have to stick with it. I mean, I could scratch it. could scratch this position, but I think they could move. DAX is coming to that interesting level that I might want to be a short seller off of, but they're just breaking it. Just breaking it. And the FTSE stop loss, I mean, could be a break even. Like we are only 5 points in profit. But they're pushing, right? So I'm having that stop loss to break even. If they decide not to push, I'm gonna be stopped out. Let's see if they can keep on pushing. Because the push started, right? I'm having that stop loss at break even. Let's see if they can continue. I would just love to see this FTSE go. Would love to see it. Now it looks like they're stopping a little bit. I would not be surprised if they stop me out. Like them retracing back to here makes sense. But let's see. It is pretty volatile today, so volatility is what we like, but you have to be careful with it. Now let's see if the FTSE can keep on pushing without a retrace. That would stop us out. No buyers are stepping in. That's I don't like that. Like no buyers are stepping in. Come on. DAX is moving. DAX is really trying to move. Here we go, FTSE, come on. I mean, yeah, could be looking to take out around these highs. That was around my risk. Like 1-to-1. That's kind of 1-to-1. But let's see. Do I want to hold it? No, it is looking tempting to take it out. It's starting to look tempting. And that high got rejected. I feel like I should be out of the FTSE now by now. But they could keep on pushing. DAX is now seeing some sort of rejection. It recovered the gap in a way. Let's see how they develop on 1 minute. It looks a little bit toppy, right? I mean, they're still pushing, but it looks toppy. I'm taking out the footsie. Just take out the footsie. Of course, they could keep on pushing, but I want to lock in some. I just wanted to lock in some. We're in profit as of right now in this session. Maybe I should have let that footsie run. Alright. I mean, locking in the profit, like 1-to-1 risk reward is okay. It's okay. DAX looks interesting for longs, but they could dip down a little bit more. They can easily dip down a little bit more. Yeah, Footsie's holding this level. Footsie's trying to hold. Now the DAX looks interesting, but I'm not sure if we're gonna get a decent bounce. I could try to buy it, but so the decision to take out the FTSE was good. I think we would be stopped out around here at 71, so not yet. Yeah, so FTSE would be stopped out. So that was a good position. Good take profit. So 4 more minutes until the setup. 4 more minutes until the setup is presented. It would call for a short around this level. I do like this bounce on the DAX. I'm buying it. I'm buying the DAX here, but no, we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. That's a scalp again. I wanna see a quick burst to the upside. Let's see if they're gonna. I don't like it. I'm out. I could have waited, but they started to wick the highs. And the move is obviously right now to the downside. Don't want to stay in it. Don't want to see my stop loss getting hit. The bounce kind of failed. I was really quick to get out. Now the entry looks interesting. So yeah, that was good that we got out. Maybe I should be short. But I do see them bouncing at some point, right? Longs look interesting. I'm buying DAX again here. Let's see if this move is going to sustain it. Let's see if they're gonna sustain it. As of right now, it is. I might want to have that stop loss to break even. Yeah, I'm having that stop loss to break even now. Let's see, are we gonna take out profit right now? Is it a scalp? Is it a quick scalp? Is it gonna be a quick scalp? I mean, that's the decent bounce, right? We should stay in it a little bit longer, I guess. If they can sustain it, obviously. We have no risk. If this is a bounce that is uptrend, it should be happening right now. Don't like this 1 minute, of course, but I want to see a nice, decent close. So 5 more seconds until the 1 minute close. This is not looking that good, is it? Come on, Dax. Sustain the move. Maybe I should have gotten out. I stopped out. Yeah, the bounce looked okay. Maybe I should have had the bigger stop loss for this one, but I should not re-enter. Not right now. Let's see the strategies in play. Maybe I will want to do the opposite. And be a buyer of the DAX below this candle's low, for example. 15-minute candle closed. Should have I given it a little bit more room to breathe? Yeah, I could have. Because the bounce was decent, right? But and I should have taken out like at least like $6 or something just because of the spreads. But we're still up on the day. Looks interesting to be a buyer of DAX here. I mean, they could continue going down, but let's see. We're kind of trending, so I would feel quite yeah, I'm buying the DAX here. I just bought the DAX again here. I'm deleting this line. It's just not. Are they gonna do the same shit again? Maybe I would be looking to get out. They should be pushing. They should be pushing. Yeah. I'm having that stop loss ever even again on this one too. Let's see if we're gonna get a decent bounce. It looks good, right? But yeah, maybe should have got it now right there. If this is a scalp, I should be scalping. And I'm hoping for a bigger move in a way. And I will be stopped out most of the time if I'm doing that. That's a decent move. Decent. Can they sustain it? Like I'm liking this move, and it's giving me hope to hold it. But let's see. Come on, Dex. Come on, Dex. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. That was a scalp. My strategies in play would call for a long above this high. I could have waited and then added to my position over here, but that was a scalp and I should treat it as one. And for this type of scalp, it gave me a decent amount, right? It gave me like 2 to 1 risk reward in a way. So, FTSE looks interesting for buys again. FTSE looks interesting. I'm really thinking about having a short order over here on a DAX. FTSE's bouncing. I didn't buy it. But damn, I do love volatility. I do love it. Like the FTSE is in the range, and it would make sense for them to go at least up here. They work the lows again. I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, it is really tempting to buy the FTSE here, but I'm not gonna take it. I have a finger on the trigger right now on a FTSE. Like, it's so fucking obvious that it's gonna go up. I don't know, guys. It's just sometimes you just can see it. Like they're holding these lows. Of course, they're in the range. We would be buying in the middle of it, no way. But I'm not gonna take it just because I feel a little bit too confident in it. DAX just kept on going. Uh, Stand by in the DAX. I think I might wanna short it, but it looks strong. It looks strong. We have an option to buy it here. That's. I'm having that buy limit over here. It's not gonna fill me. looks like a strong breakout. I'm buying it. Oh fuck, I got two positions open now. I'm closing the one that is at break even. I'm closing the position. I want to sell short. No way. I'm selling short. I'm selling short. I'm in shorts. Let's see how it's going to play out. I'm gonna give it a little bit more room to wiggle. To 1475. Let me pull up 15-minute chart. I'll move that stop loss, but 440 I think is a okay stop loss to have. Like, it's not necessary to have that big of a stop loss. If this is a rejection, it should be a quick one. Like, if they're failing them, like, they should react pretty quickly to this high. But the fact is that they're gonna maybe retrace and then keep on going, right? So we should be quick to get out. Like, I would even move that stop loss above this high as of right now. Don't need to have that big of a stop loss, do I? They kind of showed the rejection. Now they're just retracing in the uptrend, and you don't know how long that retrace will last. Nobody knows how long it will last. I mean, bigger stop loss, more chances that you are going to see some profit. Was it a retrace? Is it done? That's the question I'm having. Like, stop loss at break even is too early. I need to see a bigger move before I move that stop loss to break even. Let me have it where it was. But we'll be probably getting out if we break that high. I think now is a good option to have that stop loss at break even. Yeah, I'm gonna have it at break even. Um, of course, it's good to have no risk, but you have to lock in the profit too, right? So let's see if they're gonna bounce from this low. Like, they could. They easily could. Yeah, they could be bouncing. Could be bouncing from here. Let me leave you. We have no risk, right? Is that it? Is the retrace is done? Are they going up now? Huh. Let's see. FTSE on the daily. Hmm. Now it looks good. DAX looks good. We could have added to this position around here. But I don't want to increase the risk, so. Because we're still in the uptrend, right? And how long this move is gonna last. True. Yeah, how long is it gonna last? It looks like a double bottom, and I'm getting ready to move up, but yeah, look at that. I mean, can't complain if they move down. Can't complain. I'm tempted to take profits here. Of course, the move is, if this is a big move, is just getting started, but we are in the uptrend. I think this could be the end of this move to the downside. They could test these lows, of course. And that would be kind of a pattern that DAX likes to repeat. And they like to fake the breakout, come to these lows, and then do whatever. But yeah. Come on, DAX. Come on, DAX. I mean, we have no risk, but I really do want to lock in. I really do want to. I really do want to lock in, but now it's too late. Like, you don't know when the Move is gonna end, right? FTSE buys. Right now it looks like DAX wants to go up. Like how low and where can they go? We have 1 more minute until 5 minute closes. It is better to just watch it on a 5 minute. Because I'm not liking the 1 minute. I'm not liking the 1 minute. Um, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. We're still in profit on this session, right? So it's a good session. I'm just gonna leave this position be. And we'll see what's gonna happen. I think we're gonna get stopped out. We could sit it out, but like yeah, interesting 5 minute close. Not breaking below that. It is in the range. It is so obviously in the range. And now it feels like they want to test the top of the range, right? But we'll see. We basically did the opposite of our strategy today. And yeah, it feels like they want to test the high of this range, or at least trying to. We'll see. I don't really care that much. I just want to lock in the profit and be up nicely on a day. That's nice. Come on, DAX. Come on. Don't want to be out by this low. Do I want to be out? I think these lows will get tested. But you never know. It wouldn't be that bad to take it out right now. It wouldn't be that bad. Ugh. Just say the word. And it's a tough one, right? It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Like, do I want to lock in the profit and be done with this morning session? I haven't made a decent amount, like nothing crazy, but me locking in right now would I would have a buffer for US session in a way. So that's tempting. And seeing them wicking the lows, trying to bounce would make sense to take it out. But then I have no risk. Right? I have no risk. And then they could just wick the highs and then come back down. But most likely I'm gonna get stopped out pretty soon. Like, are they gonna wick the highs right now? Are they going to wick the highs? Like, yeah, it looks strong. It looks really fucking strong. Yeah, fuck hell. Should have been out. Should have been out. Let's see if they're not gonna just rip it down right now. I'm out. And they are ripping down. And they are ripping down. Yeah, that's a range. That's a really obvious range. But still, I think we're gonna get stopped down in this range if we don't take it. If we don't take it out, it would make a lot of sense to fucking get out. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna probably take those $10 and just FTSE looks tempting. FTSE looks tempting, but they might just keep on going down. So they could just keep on going down on the FTSE. I'm not gonna buy it. And the DAX were stopped out at break even basically. Like a miracle should happen for us to not get stopped out right now. But like it is possible. Yeah, just instantly. Okay, still a good session. Still a good session. Yeah, that should have been I should have been quicker to take it out. After seeing this move, I was like, yeah, maybe that's the time. But I held it. Still a good session. Still made money. We made it with scalps in the FTSE, scalp in the DAX. We could have a long position because of our strategy. And I'm gonna do that. I'm buying the DAX here, actually. I'm gonna buy the DAX here. Yeah, I'm in longs. And the stop loss. Like, it's tricky. The behavior of the DAX today is tricky on a 15-minute. They should move right now. Like, if they're gonna move, they have to pump up and like right now, or I should be quick to get out. So 21360, I guess. If we get stopped out, that will set us back on a day. Like, yeah, that's the high. Are we gonna see that rejection of the high? It doesn't look good. Maybe I should just leave it. Maybe I should just leave it alone. But then again, like, then again, they have a gap fill, right? And but the news were were pretty major, and I don't think they're gonna fill the gap. I think they're gonna fill the gap, and my stop loss is pretty obvious, like a pretty obvious level, which they could come back to and just stop me out. Do I want to have that risk? No, I don't. Mm, It's tricky. Maybe I should be in it. Maybe I shouldn't be in it. It's tricky. I mean, I lost a little bit on this one. Maybe I should just have that position in. All right. I'm gonna end the live stream here. I'll have that stop loss. I'll have that stop loss around 2-1 350. A little bit below the low. Let's see if they're gonna make it. Fuck it, I'm having this position. But I'm not a fan of it. I'm really not a fan of this position, but well, whatever. Let's see. What the fuck was that? Like, I'm not a fan of this position. It feels uncomfortable, and good positions sometimes, most of the times, feel uncomfortable, but don't know how to feel about this one, to be honest. To be completely honest with you, don't know how to feel about this one. Is it like, I mean, fuck it. Okay, let me have that risk. I really wanted to end this. I really wanted to end today with a profit. Like, we added a profit, but having that risk would obviously, like, being stopped out would obviously put us back. Okay, we're 10 points in profit. I could move that stop loss to break even by now. Shit's getting volatile. I think we're gonna get stopped out if we move it to break even. So I don't really want to do that. But they could also just go down to this level. Like, if they are breaking out, let me have that break even and then be done. Like, if they're really making the move I want to see. Because 15-minute looks like they might want to reverse. And that's a decent wick. Yeah, I'm out. I'm not gonna take those longs. I'm not gonna take them. I'm just pussying out. Like, in and out, not sure what to do. And that's not good. So let me just play it off safely. I'll still have a setup in an hour, so that's me done.